Today we are going to study lesson 7 experiments with water. That means in our water going on experiment. Then first is what floats and sinks. FLOATS floats, sinks. Sinks. First one girl there in their home. What do they? Aisha was waiting for dinner. Today Ammi was making favorite food, puri and spicy potato. Aisha watched as her mother rolled out the puri and put it in the hot oil. She saw that at first the puri sank to the bottom of the pan. As it puffed up, the puri came up and started floating on the oil. And one puri did not puff up and did not float like others. On seeing this, Aisha took some duff and rolled into a bowl. She flattened it and put it in bowl of water. Alas, it sank to the bottom and stayed there. In your home, your mother is making a puri. First puri putting time is float on water. That means they lay in the oil. Then after 1 minute or 2 minutes after, this puri is singing in the oil. Then Aisha put a puffed puri in a bowl of water. Would it sink or float? That means another time Aisha one puri take and bowl of water, it would sink. Put into the water. Water happen into wood or float or sink. It would float. Then you put a steel plate on water, would it sink or float? What would happen to a spoon? That means steel plate and spoon. What happened? Float or sink? Steel plate and spoon is sink on the water. Then would the cap of the plastic bottle sink or float on water? Plastic bottle cap. It will float on the water. Then first we have to discuss float and sink. Example of floating objects: leaf, paper, then plastic bottle, then sinks, then needle, another one of then spoon, then silver plate, aluminum plate, steel plate, etc. These are sink on the sink of the water there. Then in the evening, Aisha went for a bath. She had just come out when her mother called. Aisha, you have dropped the soap in the water again. Take it out and put it in the soap case. Aisha was in a hurry and the soap case fell out of her hands. It started floating on water. Aisha gently put the soap in the soap case. She saw that the case continued to float even with the soap in it. That means she has to take the soap case and soap her. Then soap is fell down in the water. What happened? Soap is sinking water and soap case is float on the water. And another example is float soap case. Soap case and sink soap. Then what is the meaning of these two words? Floats including then heavy objects lie low in the water. That means heavy objects lie low on the water, lie low in the water, and lightweight objects lie up on the water. Then look in your textbook, one box there, why. A wooden boat in water will float, but a needle will sink. Why does this happen? Let me think. That means why wooden boat? Wooden boat is floating water. Then wood's density is lower than that of water, so a wooden boat will float on. That means wood density is lower than that of water. Wood float on water, then wooden boat also float on the water. Then an iron ship will also float, though it is much heavier than my boat. Then an iron ship, iron is metal there, iron is hard and weight there. A ship is made up of iron and steel, but it has a lot of space filled with air. This causes the ship to displace water with a weight equal to the weight of the ship. That means then iron ship going to float, then these irons and weight and water weight and boat's weight is same. Then but a needle light as a leaf, thin as a pin will sink right in. That means needle, pin, sink or float, sink. Why needle is sink? A needle is long and skinny, and if it is not too big, you can. That means needle have a big there right here, they sink in the water. Then that means float. Float means some objects lie on the water. Sinks means some objects lie low in the water. Example, if paper, plastic bottle, soft case. Then sinks, example, needle, spoon, steel plate, soap, iron, ship, etc. Then next we discuss some experiments, activities there. This do in a home and fill the table. Then next is it magic? Then Aisha another how to interest in this type of process. Then she do another experiment. When Aisha woke up in the morning, Ammi had fever. Abu made some tea and waited to give medicines to Ammi. He told Aisha, you boil eggs, also put some salt in the water. Aisha took water in a pot. By mistake, she put too much salt in the water. She saw the eggs at the bottom of the pot come up a little and start to float in water. That means they boiling egg, then put the salt into the water. That time Aisha see the egg is come upside the water. Then another experiment, take some water in a glass, put a lemon in it. Now keep putting salt in the water, half a spoon at a time, where you able to float your lemon in water. That means you have to take water there, you put a lemon. What happened? To sink into the water. Then you have to take another beaker, salt water, put into the lemon. What happened? This lemon is float on the water. Then next we discuss Dead Sea. Dead Sea means Mrutsagar. Then all oceans and seas have salty water. Yes. The saltiest of all is the Dead Sea. How salty? Imagine 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. Would you be able to even taste such salty water? It would be very bitter. Interestingly, even if a person does not know how to swim, she would not drown in this sea. She will float in water as if lying down on it. Then that means Dead Sea. And people how to swimming or they have to float on the water. Why? Dead Sea containing or the sea or ocean containing salt water there. That means salt water, any object is floating. Then next discuss dissolve and not dissolve. Then once more in first portion we study some objects are float and sinks. Float means objects lie on the water. Then sinks means lightweight objects lie low in the water. Sinks means in the water, float means on the water. Then sinks heavy objects. That means heavy objects lie lie on the water. That means this type of objects have no weight. That is lightweight objects are float on the water. Then next we discuss Dead Sea. Dead Sea means then salty water. So any object put in salty water, that object is float on the water, not sink on the water. Then today's this first portion completed. Then balance is in next class. Okay. Thank you.